Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Password and Security. Then click on Face Recognition at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Now you need to select Continue at the bottom after reading all of the instructions and disclaimers. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you're ready, go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!